Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make sea moss Caribbean style. Begin by rinsing and soaking sea moss until softened, then drain and rinse again. Use coconut water and fresh lime to blend a silky gel, adding ginger or honey to taste. Keep everything chilled and store the gel in a clean jar. I will guide you through texture tips, flavor swaps, and simple uses for smoothies and desserts, so you feel confident making it at home. In this video, I will explain how to make sea moss Caribbean style. After soaking, squeeze out excess water and measure your sea moss against coconut water for the desired texture. Blend until smooth, tasting for balance with lime and a touch of ginger. Chill the gel to thicken and label the jar with the date to track freshness. I'll share storage tips, common mistakes to avoid, and quick recipe ideas for breakfast and snacks. In this video, I will review how to make sea moss Caribbean style. Quick recommendation. I've been using the new Kindle Paperwhite to read recipes and cookbooks hands-free while I prep, and it's perfect for splashes and cramped countertops. It's lightweight, easy to wipe, and the backlight helps with low kitchen lighting. Check the description for the link and other deals, and if you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like. Now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will help you make sea moss Caribbean style. Enhance flavor with lime, ginger, or coconut for authentic island vibes, and adjust sweetness with honey or brown sugar. Use the gel in 1 to 2 tablespoon portions in smoothies, puddings, or tropical sauces. Keep serving sizes moderate and enjoy the gel's versatility. I'll describe pairing ideas, shelf life expectations, and how to refresh firm gel when it becomes too thick.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.